Yeah, so, you know.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Hunterboy Dougie, and we back with another video. So as you've seen in the last video, after having a 3-day bender with Monty, day 3, I believe, day 2, my bad, day 2, we ripped off the I was gonna say fender. We ripped off the grill of the Civic and had to take off the hood latch. So we unbolted the hood latch to get my hood open and to charge the battery of the Civic. Civic's still covered up, I'm not gonna lie, because weather's been bipolar. One day it's nice like this, next day it's raining, day after that it's snowing. So that's what I'm dealing with. But today's nice. I've been slacking on doing this. Let's get the hood cable on, the hood latch back on, and have a functioning hood again. But you know what? I still gotta give y'all a cold start. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie. I gotta put these rocks on this cover. Because if not, it's gonna land on the house next door. So this is precautions of not letting my window get wet. Because, you know, it's held on by duct tape. But I don't know why I hear some kids sound like they getting... Alright, it sounds like somebody getting their ass whooped. But anywho, yeah, so you know what?
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times you've been around that track. So
oh, are you fucking serious right now, bro? Are you Chat, I have to show you this, but I just cracked my phone. I know you can't see me, but the wind just knocked down my tripod, as you're gonna see in the previous clip. I'm gonna try to make work with what the hell I can do. So there's probably gonna be no YouTube videos for a while. I'll probably have to put CapCut back on my other phone, try to edit the clips I have from there on, like little shorts and stuff. But yeah, let's see if we can do something. What the? Come on. Yep, still starts. Probably gonna move this thing. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie. That previous clip was a couple days ago. I shattered the screen of the phone, but don't worry, we already got a new screen. But yeah. Oh no! Cooked. Straight cooked. Already got a replacement, and I got some other shit too. For one, we have to get rid of this crusty, dusty, old chair. You know what I'm saying? It's seen better days, so we got a new John. So it's been a couple days since the phone incident. I just want to let y'all know, the phone's good now. We good. We lost Face ID. I'm not gonna hold it to you. We did lose Face ID, but we good now, boys. We good. So I'm just honestly making this video for the shits and gigs. I mean, it was annoying as, how do I say it? It was an annoying experience, but it was funny. Like, everybody made me see the bright side of it, made me see how funny it was. So it was low-key funny, and I got it fixed in like not even in under a week. So, and it was only for $5. Something that would cost me like at least like $120, $5. All it took. Shout out to my coworker. But we good. Vlogs are gonna start coming back. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all found it funny. And yeah, I'm gonna try to edit this soon. I need to get back on the camera. Gonna edit it soon. But also, you know what I'm saying? We picked up something. See that big 4 terabyte? Hold on. I need to show y'all. Big 4 terabyte expansion card for the mini fridge. Didn't go for the 1 terabyte or the 2. Spent that big $500. You know what I'm saying? We got it. We got it. Also, hold on. I definitely got to show y'all the old screen. So, yeah. This is what happened. This is what happened, y'all. This is what happened when the phone fell. This is exactly how the phone came out. Face ID definitely got cooked. But yeah, got that and got the new gaming chair too. So no more black squeaky black and white chair. We got this one and it's comfy. It reclines. Even got the bro. Even got the little freaking leverage shit for your feet, bro. You know what I'm saying? Kick that shit up, recline it, and just chill. Loving it, but I'm about to go install this, put all the games on, chill with the bros, enjoy my day off, because I got to go to work again tomorrow. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, found it funny, all that good jazz. But it's your boy Honda Boy Dougie, and I'm out. Peace.